If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hello guys, thanks for dropping in. I'm Rick, welcome to the channel. This is a very quick 1-minute clip for the benefit of Luxy Bob. Answer to your question, a quick run through of the toolkit that you should get with your 1290 Super Adventure 2021. There you go. Like I said, it was going to be a quick clip, just showing you what the contents should be in your toolkit, because some people have been given the wrong kits in the past, and yeah, just make sure you get the right one.